Welcome to Smoky Mountain Taco. Today we are going to be installing the TuffSkinz door inserts on a 3rd generation Tacoma. It will definitely toughen up your doors from spills, debris, that sort of thing. It gives you a great interior look. Check this out. So I bought this kit off of TuffSkinz, and I have really come to like TuffSkinz. They have some good protection for the outside of your truck, and they also have some good things for the inside. And this is going to be going in our door down in here. We're going to put it in here, and then our bigger side, the bigger one you see here, will come down here, and we'll replace this in here. You want to try to fit this first to make sure there's a proper fitment, and before you remove the adhesive. And it's real simple, just take this out and put it in. Now, why would I want to put this in here? I would want to put this in my door for spills, debris, just harden it up a little bit, and also it looks great and go great with my red trim. If you ever taken your Tacoma to a car wash and you put the vacuum down in there, you know that that little felt will get suctioned up to the vacuum hose. So this will prevent that and solve that problem. So let's open it up. That looks even better with it out. And check this out. So we're going to do one side and it'll be exact same thing on the other. Alright, so let's take this out. You can see the adhesive back here, so we'll go do the front first and we'll hit the rear. See, that just fits right down in there like this. See how easy that goes? And then you just take off the adhesive, and that's perfect. This, you can just get it out like that. Make sure you get any dirt or anything like that out there. See how flimsy that is? So this is what comes with your truck, and this is TuffSkinz, and it feels very strong, and I like that a little better. Just be aware, and I did get some extra on just in case you ever have to take off the door. There's a screw down in there that you'll have to take off if you need to take off the entire door. So just keep that in mind, or if you need to do something with wiring in here, just keep that in mind. I would get an extra set of these just in case. Well, let's go ahead and let's take off the adhesive on this one. See there? So fitment was pretty easy. Just get it down in there and it'll drop right in. And then just push down on that, get that adhesive in there nice and good. That looks really nice. It's great with my trim here from Miso Customs. Let's take this off. And we'll just lay it down in there and push down. There we go. Look how nice that looks. That looks great. And it feels great too, and it is definitely a tough skin. There's no doubt about it. All right, let's go handle the back seat. All right, this is the right one here, so let's just drop it in there. Yep, fits in nicely. And I guess you wouldn't have to take off the adhesive trim if you didn't want to. If you needed access, especially in here with this screw, if you need to get the door off. But it does help it stay down in there, and it's not moving around any. But I'm gonna remove it. Put this down in there, take that adhesive off. We'll drop it down in there and push that down. All right, that looks great. All right, so again, you can see how flimsy the OEM is compared to TuffSkinz. That is solid. So like I said, if you wanted access to it, you can just lay that down in there. But like I said, I got some extras. So if I ever have to take the door off, I've got them, and I'm not going to be hurting for if I tear this up and I need to take the door off for some odd reason or for a mod. But that's all there is to it. All right, then just do the same thing for the other side. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, be sure to click subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. It really helped me out. I'm almost up to 500 subscribers. So if you could help me get there, I'd greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.